The next important type of satellite imagery for severe weather analysis is long-wave infrared imagery. Long-wave imagery measures a quantity called brightness temperature, which is the measure of the intensity of electromagnetic energy coming from a source. In simple terms, long-wave imagery estimates the temperatures of the tops of the clouds. From that, we can use long-wave imagery to assess the intensity of storms. More intense storms tend to go higher up into the atmosphere. They tend to be taller. Taller storms have colder cloud tops. Therefore, the more intense the storm is, the colder its cloud tops are likely to be. Now, there are two different bands of long-wave infrared imagery that you can use. Band 14, which is the standard long-wave infrared band, or band 13, which is called the clean long-wave infrared band. Band 14, which has a wavelength of 11.2 micrometers, is slightly more susceptible to absorption from water vapor than band 13, which has a wavelength of 10.3 micrometers. This means that the brightness temperatures measured by band 14 are going to be slightly too cool than what they should be, and slightly cooler than those of band 13. Hence why band 13 is called the clean band. Still, these two bands are basically interchangeable. They're showing you the exact same thing, long-wave infrared imagery and brightness temperatures, but you might see some slight differences in the images between the two bands, and the brightness temperatures shown in band 14 might be slightly cooler than what they should be overall, but it's still a perfectly viable band to use for assessing the intensity of storms. In these long-wave images, your warmer colors correspond to colder cloud top temperatures. So your oranges, reds, and blacks correspond to colder cloud top temperatures indicative of more robust storms, whereas your cooler colors, your purples, blues, and greens, those are indicative of warmer cloud top temperatures and therefore less robust storms. And unlike visible satellite imagery, long-wave imagery can be used 24/7, day or night, because it's measuring temperatures. So it's a good substitute to use at night when visible imagery is rendered useless.
Join our storm chasing community. Discord link in bio.